Hey guys, Steve here again. I'm hoping to make maybe a video or two every week. If you get tired of seeing my face on here and doing the videos, just tell me or just don't watch. But anyhow, usually it's something that's either on my mind or has crossed my mind in the last few days. And usually I stay awake late at night thinking what I'm going to say. But usually I just wing it. I don't write anything down. So today, what I'm going to talk to you about is basically younger people and when people are still working. I met somebody just here in the last day or so, and I was introduced to them as somebody who, sold insurance or knew a lot about insurance. And this person said that they weren't planning on dying anytime soon. Well, they were young; they were probably maybe 25, maybe 30, but probably 25. And that's great. I mean, nobody plans on when they're going to die. And I didn't really respond to what this person said, but usually I say something like, "Well, call me like a week before you think you're going to die, and we'll set you something up," that kind of thing. Because I'm usually pretty sarcastic, but that's just the way I am. But anyhow, so what happens is when people are young, or even people middle aged, or even people maybe in their 50s and 60s, they have sometimes insurance through their work, and when you leave work, you lose that insurance. Unless you have one in maybe 100 jobs, maybe the 1%, they get to keep their life insurance. But usually you're in a group plan, and when you leave the group, you lose that insurance. So when I was working, I left my job it's been 10, 11 years ago, and I lost my insurance. Well, then I started selling insurance, and I bought some, and the price, oh my God, I mean, now that I sell insurance to a lot of people, if I would have been, got that coverage when I was in my, 20s or 30s or even 40s, I would have saved a lot of money. So now I'm paying about $80 a month for only $20,000 worth of life insurance, whereas I've sold people life insurance for, that much and gotten them $100,000. So, or more. Anyhow, that's just the way that works. Anyhow, the older you get, the more it's going to cost. Today, by the way, is the youngest you're ever going to be. So you need to consider what you're going to do. Do you wait? Do you wait until you're in your 50s or 60s like I did to get life insurance? That's not your smart move. You don't know what your health is going to be like if it changes. If you have that heart attack and now you can't get a policy you were hoping to get. So anyhow, consider that. Get it while you're young. Like I say, the price as you get older goes up, but once you lock in that price, at least with the companies I work for, you lock in that price at whatever your age you are, and then that price never changes. Now, there are some policies out there that you may get in the mail, and those policies may have a premium that changes on you. So you make sure that when you're filling out these forms, and you don't have to talk to somebody like me, an agent or a broker, make sure you call somebody or check into it to make sure that price is never going to change, or the value of the policy goes down. I've had people, when they hit a certain age, check on their policy, and they had about half as much as they thought they had, because over the years the premium stayed the same, but the death benefit reduced. So anyhow, just something to think about. Like I say, if you're working, look into something. I actually checked on a price for somebody last night, and a 30-year-old can get $100,000 worth of term life insurance for about $27. Now that's for 30 years, but if you decide to take an option with that plan to keep it longer, you can actually pay maybe another, I don't know, $15 a month and keep that plan for the rest of your life. But anyhow, just a thought, something to think of, and give me a call. Above here you'll see my Calendly link and my website. Either way, you can get a hold of me. If you got any questions, or DM me, whatever it is. If you have any questions, I don't care if you're not getting a quote or not wanting life insurance, but if you have any questions about what you have or need some help finding something, just let me know. All right? Talk to you soon. Thanks.